All right, what's our next question?
What is the requirements to grow asparagus? I'm considering it next year and have no clue about it, where to purchase it or start or anything.
Well, you can get the crowns. That's what they're called, the starts or the crowns, from a local garden center.
In spring next year.
Spring, and you want to plant them basically as soon as the soil can be worked.
Right.
And then there's a whole process. You get the crowns, you dig a trench, you spread the roots out.
I would recommend a 2-year crown over a 1 year because, you're not going to harvest anything substantially until about 4 years in. That's where we will be at next year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I can't believe it.
And there's purple asparagus and green asparagus. The white asparagus is asparagus that has been grown and covered and basically no sun. So we grow the green, Holly, and we will have asparagus. And asparagus can last a long time. Many.
It can last a long time. Some people move into homes and discover that they have asparagus growing.
They've been mowing it over for years and realize what it was. Yeah.
So there's it's definitely worth the time investment and the little investment that you're going to pay for the plants.
Right.
The starts.
If you've moved into a property or you've bought land or whatever the case is, invest $200 or $300 or $400 in fruit trees, nut trees, and perennial plants, and just throw them anywhere on the property, because then you will regret it in 10 years if you didn't do it now. Because we would have, if we knew what we knew now, we would have done things very different, put a lot more perennials in the garden than what we had done, and now we're just trying to catch up. So